Staying with security, the Nigerian police force has arrested 715 armed robbery suspects, 306 kidnappers, 149 for unlawful possession of firearms, 371 for sexual-related offences, and 3,272 others for various crimes across the country. First PRO, DSP Olumuyiwa Adejobi, who disclosed these in Abuja, noted that intelligence response team operations led to the rescue of kidnapped victims, arrest of suspects, and recovery of firearms. Among the arrests was Jane Anodwa, who confessed to child trafficking after her arrest in Rivers State, leading to the rescue of 4 minors, later reunited with their parents.
337 with a total number of 4,445 ammunition of various calibers recovered. 278 stolen vehicles recovered, and 283 rescued kidnapped victims.
Other breakthrough include the arrest of gun runner Tamfa Bimbo in Plateau, where police recovered rifles and pistols, and Jerauji Ibrahim Adamawa, who was found with AK-47s and ammunition.
Operatives of IRT apprehended one Jerauji Ibrahim male of Kedeme Demsa local government area of Adamawa State. Upon his arrest, the suspect was questioned and subsequently confessed to having in his possession 2 AK-47 rifles. The operatives picked up on this intelligence and recovered the firearms, along with 2 magazines and 19 rounds of live ammunition of different calibers.
The first PRO, Olumuyiwa Adejobi, speaking there.